don't know who that is.
Midnight fried chicken. Midnight fried chicken.
It's called Midnight Fried Chicken,
I
but
just
you would not play it. No, I hate that. That's the scariest part of this entire game.
okay. Hi,
That's
I'm here. I'm here.
that's the
I'm
scariest.
right in
Yeah, I
front of
know.
you.
That's
I
the
think
scariest thing you're gonna see all Halloween.
I'm
Right
right
there.
behind you. I think.
This right here. That's the scariest thing you're gonna ever see.
Is that a mushroom? That's chicken nugget. Oh, it's chicken nugget cowboy hat.
Giddy gidda do chicken nugget. All right, let's get in the 3-player one. It's just
No,
one.
I don't want to.
Get
What if
in here
I don't want to?
with this random person.
I,
He'll
okay.
probably leave immediately
I'm
anyway.
tapping it. I'm tapping.
There we go. We're in.
By yourselves.
You're in here too. It's us 3. Just this random guy we joined. Because we didn't want to wait for 2 players. Please wait for loading to complete. 100% waiting for other players. There we go.
Boy, I could jump scare everyone. That sounds like a good time.
Cost money.
What, really?
Why is the Mona Lisa so stretched out?
Why can't I move?
Jump. You're sitting in the chair.
Oh, okay.
Come on down to the fried chicken.
Let me turn my brightness up.
Lucky for you, fried chicken is looking for help. Come work with us. Dial that number. Alright. We're gonna call the restaurant. Did that guy leave? Oh, he left. It's just us now. Thanks for calling Fried Chicken home of the best fried chicken.
Okay. Oh, yes. It's still available. Okay, that's good. So what do we do?
We wait. I don't know. I
don't want to wait.
I saw Friday Night Funkin' Chicken Nugget Mother.
Ew, it's a child. Oh. Maybe I should turn my graphics down because I have it all the way up.
I think I have my graphics all the way up too.
I'm turning it all the way down. Performance stats. Hell yeah, I want my performance stats. I don't actually want my performance stats. Anyway, let's talk with the homeless man on front. Hi there, sir. How are you? Things have been the same for a long time. Be careful, it's blood. Marijuana. What do you mean?
Just grab the sledgehammer and
You
just bam.
You wish to understand. You get away from this. Your job is fast to work.
Oh, he just went.
Why am I saying everything?
He just phased through the fence. We just talked to a dead person. That was an ethereal being. Beyond our comprehension.
Hi, guys. Where's the employee?
Why is this guy so tiny? Oh, wait,
Why
no,
is there...
we're tall. I forgot we're tall.
Why is there a
Hello,
banana?
are you James? No, I'm not James. Are you James? taking in the wonderful clicks. Such a beautiful sound.
What if we record? Oh,
where did
wait,
you
what
go?
if we record? Wait, what if we record this?
I am recording.
Oh, you are recording? Why?
Yeah.
You never
Look at
told me
my
that you're
eyes.
recording. Yeah. You look pretty hot, actually.
What? All right, we
Okay,
got.
let's open the door. Let's
I see a
open the
exclamation
door.
mark. Oh, we got to clock in. All right. We've clocked
Walk
in.
into our new job that we call hell.
No, this is.
Have we
This is come on.
buy
Down.
secret? To buy a pistol. How do we
Come
buy
on
a
down
pistol?
to
Secret ending. Grab a flashlight. Oh yeah.
Hoot Wash.
Never mind. You have to buy the flashlight.
Yeah, I know. No, you don't have to buy
Hi, man.
turning.
Can I take your order?
You don't have to buy turning up your brightness.
Yes, I'll have a bucket of chicken, please. That'll be $4.99. That's fairly cheap, actually.
Damn,
Is that not?
pretty good.
Is that not cheap?
That's very cheap,
So grab a cat.
dude. It's like $12.99.
Cheaper than KFC. So
Yeah, KFC's like $12.99.
it won't let me put in the cash. It won't let me.
I did.
It won't let me do it. Okay.
All right, food from freezer and cook.
I'll cook the food. I'll cook it.
You have to get the food first.
Wait, do we not have? Oh, we have to grab the food first.
You're just cooking air.
That's pretty obvious. Yeah, you should probably grab the food first before you start cooking it.
What are you cooking? I'm cooking chicken. Where's the chicken? What are you cooking, Joe? Oh, cooking chicken. There's no chicken, Joe.
It won't let me do it. It won't let me do it. It won't let me do it.
You have to
It
equip
won't
the
let
chicken.
me do
Equip the
it.
chicken first.
Oh, that's why I couldn't put the cat cursor. Here you go, ma'am. Here's your bucket of chicken. You made my night 10 times better. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah,
I'm
can I steal a
flattered.
piece from you?
All right. Now,
Can I steal a piece from that
and get out
bucket?
of here.
Don't worry, I actually sneezed in that bucket.
Spitting on your onion rings.
I know. You should probably edit this video time just to make it look kind of better.
Yeah, I was gonna do that. I'm editing all my videos from now on, and it's gonna take billions of years for me to put any of them out.
You should probably send the recording to me so I can try it. Doing it.
You
Hello there, stranger. Hello. Can I get some chicken just for sticks? No.
just sticks? That will be $3.
What are you, a psychopath?
A psychopath. Just the sticks are good.
Why is there AK-47 in the back? Why is there AK-47 in the back?
Hey, people like weird foods. Here, let me do this one.
People like weird foods. AK-47.
AKA.
AKA 47s. AKA AK-47s. AKA AK-47.
Alright, you can shut up now.
That's hard to say. That's hard to say.
AKA AK-47.
Really. That's really hard to say.
I don't know.
AK 40, AKA AK 47.
AKA AK-47.
Jump. AKA no AKA A 40 AK.
I think that might be stupidity, my friend.
No, it's not.
It's not
You
hard
weren't
to
even
say.
saying it right. You can't say
Yeah,
anything.
I was.
You can't say anything.
AKA
No,
AK-47.
you weren't. AKA AK 47.
Yes. That's what I've been saying this whole time.
You were saying AK 47.
I wasn't. You just weren't hearing the second A.
Yes, well, yes, it
I
was.
was
When you
pronouncing
go
it.
back when you go back to A, you'll see.
No,
When
when
you will
I,
see.
I think the problem is Discord.
Nah, Discord just. Do you want
Yeah, no,
to
Discord could never
order
do any
anything,
wrong.
sir?
It's such a good app.
Yes, I'll take it to a thumbstick to be okay. But I'll let you take the
Is there a way
money
to
and I'll be the cook.
make it invisible?
Okay, I'll let you handle the money while I
Hold
cook the
on. I'm checking through
chicken.
settings here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we're just doing tap to move now.
So what's the
Oh,
entire
that's
point of this game? Is like a big chicken just gonna come after us?
tap to move. Wait, how do I?
Hello, or you're not gonna respond to me, or like
Oh, there we go. Hold on. I got tap to move now. Oh god, this is
why tap?
horrible. You tap and it moves you. This is horrible way of playing, by the way. But it really does. It feels like a point and click game now. Oh, I'm stuck. There we go. Why are you trying to go up there?
I'm not. What do you mean?
I'm talking to my character. Has a mind of its own, apparently.
Oh,
This is a,
yeah,
this is
that
a click
face
and
and what
point
it
game now.
does. Okay. No, not me. I feel amazing with this control. Jesus. This control is
Stop
better than Minecraft
climbing
on
over
mobile.
everything to get to the place. You don't even have to do that. It's really stupid. Chicken.
I don't $3.50. Well, where's the customer?
I'm going back to the classic thumbstick. Oh, the classic. It's too small.
Okay, so where's the customer? Where are we giving the food?
I'll give him the food. Stop! I want to give him the food. Let me do a job. I want money.
They don't. No,
No, get over
no.
here. Yeah, that's right.
Wait,
I
how
gave
do we
him the
eat the
food.
food though?
I gave him the food.
No, I gave him the food. No, I did.
What's
Wait,
this?
like how I like how
Bourbon.
both the usernames represent two different rappers.
What?
Okay. Childish Gambino, which is Donald Glover, and then Tyler, which is Tyler Perry. Am I on something, Chad?
No. Yes.
Oh,
No.
okay. I'll talk to him,
Is
and
that?
you
Hold
can
up.
get that.
Wait a minute.
It's Mark Wahlberg. It's Mark Wahlberg.
Customer? That's not a
Mark Wall.
customer.
Mark. Mark Wahlberg. What do you want?
Walmart Wahlberg.
Oh yes. Sorry. I'll have a little big bucket. Okay, I'll.
No, I'm getting his.
Wait, is he not? Is he not gonna pay for it?
He did.
Oh, he did.
Yeah.
Hey, let me handle the cash register. You can be the slave back there, okay?
No,
Yes.
we're taking turns.
If you want to cook the
We're
food,
taking turns.
if you want to,
We're taking
no,
turns.
if you want to
You're
cook
doing the
the
next
food
one.
so bad, no, fine. Pussy.
Oh yeah. I got a little something over here.
Oh yeah, you want to go? You want to go, huh?
You want to
You
go?
want to go?
You want to go? I could get the secret ending right now. Deadly pistol.
Oh dude, this place needs some. How rich are you?
How
I mean,
rich
if
am
you
I?
want to do that,
Oh, you know what? That's actually not where I'm supposed to go. I'm supposed to go right here and grab the broom.
I need a broom. Okay, I need a broom.
I'm only cleaning two. They're the closest ones. Now I'm just gonna
I
stand
got a
right
broom.
here, just in case.
Yeah, I'm just
Never
gonna be
know.
like a lazy bitch, not doing anything.
Just Raising Cane's the horror game.
Oh, this is. Why won't it let me move?
Steps. I hear footsteps.
Wait, you hear footsteps?
It's actually the static. I just realized that. Sledgehammer.
Oh wait, I don't want to buy banana. Okay, where's the garbage can? Oh, right here.
Oh, but we have to go to the other one.
Okay, I put it in.
You have to go to the other one. Behind the building. You can't do the front one. You
Why
have to do the
behind the
back.
building? It's just on. It's less safe.
Exactly. They don't care about their workers.
I don't care if there's a big black man named Big Dick Randy behind the building.
You can't say that. Oh,
Maybe I should
family
make those
friendly.
jokes.
Family friendly.
Family friendly brothers. Family friendly brothers.
What's up, brothers?
Okay. What's up, brothers? I'll let you handle the last trash can because I'm
No,
lazy.
I already did too.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. There's a couple more things to take out. You have to clean the woman's washroom.
Right.
Who's in the woman's washroom?
Not gonna look right here if they first come in. So obviously,
Oh,
is the best hiding spot. Cause yeah, and they're not gonna. They're just gonna run right past.
good boy.
They're gonna look in the corner.
Who's a good boy? Oh, there's a homeless man behind me.
Oh, hold on.
Homeless man? What do you
Let me get
want?
out there. Let me get out.
You scared me.
I'm
I'm
warning
warning
you,
you, kid.
kid.
Get out of that job as soon as possible. There's a big race around working at night. How did you shut the fuck up? Okay, the homeless man just disappeared.
Oh, he's coming back.
Oh, that's not a good thing. Okay, so what do we do now? Oh, we're gone.
Just walked around. Oh no. Is this night two? The same
Day two.
cutscene.
Right. They're too lazy to do anything else. Abby, I can't say anything. I cannot say anything. How dare you close it on me?
Oh, you're still in the building. Just gotta hide.
Why are all the doors? Why is every single door open? Hello, sir. Good evening. What would you? What would you be? Would be your order?
Thing about it just
What?
being an animal. It's not. Stay alert. If you see any bodies or
Oh
anything
wait, he's
suspicious,
here.
call me.
Oh, he's talking to you. He's talking to you because you're a furry.
I'm not a furry.
Yes, dude, have a dragon as a head.
No, I just am a dragon. Okay.
Furry.
I'm not a scaly. Why is this door here
Are
if
you
it
gonna
doesn't
go
open?
cook the food? Yeah, that was my first question when I okay. Do you want to do it or should I do it?
I'll feed the FBI agent.
Yeah, you'll feed you'll feed the FBI agent.
Sorry, the FBI. Yeah,
Alright,
the FBI.
good. Take care. Same thing. Whatever. It's fine. Wait, I could type things in the chat.
Yeah.
This game is amazing. That's why I love this game. I can spam the N word all I want.
You actually can't. They have filters, sadly.
Aww.
This is a kid's game. They have to have filters. Even Minecraft has filters.
I mean, obviously.
Which makes no sense because all you can do is play with friends.
Do not take treasure as bounty or not. Alright, Shakespeare.
What's wrong with you?
To be or not to be.
He has no face.
I'll do the food. Let me feed Shakespeare. Let me feed Shakespeare.
To see or not to see.
Or it's to be or not to be, stupid.
I know that. To
Don't look
pay
at me like
or
that,
not
sir.
to pay.
Sir, sir, do not look at me like that.
To pee
I'm a
or
white
not to pee.
I'm a white man. Stop looking at me. Like if that even makes any sense. I mean,
Makes zero sense.
why? Also, who aren't most restaurants closed at like 12 p.m.?
Yeah, this one's 24/7. Oh my god, he's back.
Mark Wahlberg,
Now you get to feed Marth Wahlberg.
welcome back, buddy. How's it been? Yay! Hello. I would like to buy a bucket of chicken, please. Is that all we have? Like, if this is all we have, we need to expand our menu.
There's just chicken or chicken. You can get chicken or bucket of chicken.
Those are your only options. Try about it.
This is
First
called
of all,
fried
let me
chicken.
pay the
You think we're gonna sell potatoes at fried chicken? Think we're gonna sell fries at
I mean,
fried chicken?
most
This restaurant is called
well,
Fried
Burger
Chicken.
King sells chicken nuggets and fries,
Okay,
so
but this
I'd
is
say go ahead.
fried chicken. This is a
Burger King
burger.
sells apple
Yeah,
pie.
you know what? Burger King doesn't even sell Burger Kings. It just sells burgers.
McDonald's
Ooh.
sells.
McDonald's
McDonald's
doesn't
doesn't sell
even sell
McDonald's.
Ronald McDonald. It sells burgers.
There's McDonald's. McDonald is a last name. It's not even a thing. Well, it's not. It's not an object. It's
Ronald
not a human. It's not real.
McDonald's.
Donald. Oh no. They're gonna kill Donald Glover. Oh no.
He's just waiting for his order, and you're over here not giving it to him. He's just been over here watching us argue.
I'm sorry, Mark Wahlberg. I'll get your food now.
We're so sorry, Mark Wahlberg.
Recurring joke in this video, Mark Wahlberg. Mark Wahlberg, here you go, Mark Wahlberg.
You can stop saying Mark Wahlberg.
I gave you the chicken pickup.
What if the real horror is that Mark
Thank you.
Wahlberg stops coming?
Oh no. That's like the worst part about this game.
What if he just stops coming one day?
Maybe he retired from acting. Maybe this is this entire plot of the game is just him acting.
No. What if he's a serial killer?
What if he turns into a big chicken?
Think of it. He's the one who comes back every single day. So he turns, and you are what you eat. He turns into a chicken and kills us, so he can turn back into a human.
Oh no!
He eats us so he can turn back to human.
No, cannibalism.
It's not cannibalism because
You
he
want to
turns into a chicken.
Okay,
chicken.
do you want to feed Bruce Wayne or not?
That's not Bruce Wayne. Not lose his parents. He just lost his face.
This looks like Bruce Wayne. This
There's
looks
a-
like, or
there's
it's
a
not
lot
that,
of
or
people
it's not
who
that, or he's Superman.
There's
It's
a
not
lot
that,
of
or he's Superman.
people who look like Bruce Wayne.
It's or he's Superman, or he's Superman.
Gotta get out of here.
What? Oh wait, what if he's Superman though?
Well, then he wouldn't need to order chicken. He could just laser eye the chicken.
I'm pretty sure I was referring to a Chris.
Nah.
Why do you have to do it like that? Why do you do it like that?
What?
You go around the back. That
Oh.
you try to give it to someone.
Much obliged.
Yeah, that's definitely Bruce Wayne.
For Williams. I don't even know who that is.
His name is probably like. His name is. Oh wait, what if he's Elvis Specialist?
His last name is 100% Williams.
He's definitely a British man, if not 1%
Williams.
British.
Much obliged, good sir.
If you get offended, just know that I don't care. And no one should. Who the hell is this?
I like
This is an edgy teenager joining 2016.
I like how the only time you question who someone is, it's a woman.
Yeah, I guess so. I'll let you pay.
Wait, they did it wrong. We said that to them. Our
Oh
rolls
well,
were
it's fine.
what? That was so poorly made.
I mean, that's what makes this game 100 times better.
The fact that it sucks.
Yeah. Oh wait, what if that wasn't? What if that wasn't Mark Wahlberg? What if that was? What if that was like Tom Brady?
It's actually Sheldon Cooper.
No, no. Oh, oh, that was Saddam Hussein.
He just comes in here and then the theme song plays. Our whole universe.
Our whole universe is in a dead station around 14 million years ago. It's in our way.
They built the walls, they built the
Do we
pyramids.
have one more
Math,
customer?
science, history, unraveling the mystery, and all
Oh
started with
god!
the Big
Oh
Bang.
god!
Hey!
Call 911. Call
Why did that
911.
happen the second I said with a Big Bang? Oh no, this fire is not moving at all. It's completely stationary. It's not even spreading. This could have been bad. That fire that
Be
wasn't moving at
careful next
all.
time. I will not be careful next time. Okay, I'm blaming you because you were. I'm blaming you because you were the last person to use the stove.
It's because I said it all started with a Big Bang.
Yeah,
Hey!
because it's because you said, "Hey," and then as soon as you said that's the.
No, as soon as I said bang, that's when the fire started.
Okay, we forgot car key. Where's the car key? I think I left them in the bathroom. I warned you. I warned you. I warned you. What the hell? You gotta see
Ooh!
this, man. You gotta see this, man.
Follow the mysterious blood trail. Where's my car keys, though?
We
Ooh,
want to know
creepy
where our
ghost.
car keys is, not where.
It must be from this blood trail. My car keys do tend to bleed a lot. Did you steal my car keys?
Sir, do you have my car keys?
Maybe some of this trash.
You want to call 911 this time?
I did call 911 last time. Why isn't it
You called
working?
911 the last
Everything
time.
here is
You have
so
to call it
old.
this time.
I hate my job. Check the body. It's gone. So is the blood.
You're just walking. Check the body. We're just gonna steal from them. That
How
I
did the
didn't
body
like them anyway.
disappear? I was sure there's someone here. Am I hallucinating?
Okay, now we're gonna get sent to a psych ward. We're getting sent to
Mark
a psych
Wahlberg's
ward
not
now.
coming back this day. I just know it. He's gonna come back and he's gonna
Oh
be a
no,
chicken.
no! Don't you mean Tom Brady? Or is it Mark Wahlberg? Who knows? Maybe it's both. Maybe both of them actually.
Tom
Like they just
Wahlberg.
like they Tom Wahlberg. They're the canonical ship name.
It's just really
Tom
hard to
Wahlberg.
tell whose face it is because this is Roblox. I'm gonna close that door. Close all the doors. Make sure no one.
Why are you so short? This dude is so short.
No, we're just tall. We made our characters very tall. I am towering over Matthew.
Matthew.
Yeah.
Who's Matthew?
Divine retard.
Oh, that dude. Okay.
Yeah. He's in a lot of my Roblox videos.
Yeah, I don't like him. So
You should not. You shouldn't. His Roblox name is Ghost of Tavor.
Why are you walking in one position? I'm standing right in front of you, sir.
I think your internet might suck.
Yeah, I think your internet sucks.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's yours.
No, it's not mine.
Everything's running fine for me.
Mine's perfectly fine. I'm walking. I can probably leave the game without any.
Yeah, you're walking all right.
No. So it has to be yours.
Why do we always switch it up with this lady? It's not mine.
Yeah,
Maybe it's both.
well, it's not mine either. It's not mine either.
You're
Because guess
glitching
what?
for
My
me.
thing's at,
I'm
my,
glitching for you.
I'm at 4 bars. I'm at 4 bars. It's not my Wi-Fi.
Okay, well, I'm in the middle of nowhere, and my Wi-Fi is still way better than yours. I also need to charge my phone because it's dying.
Your Wi-Fi is not better than mine, so shut up.
Yes, it is. Your Wi-Fi sucks.
Well, clearly not, because you're walking in one position.
So are you.
You've been doing that for
So
about
are
10
you.
minutes.
You're
No, where am I? Where am I then?
You, on my screen, you are walking in place. You look like you're doing yoga, like right in the middle of the kitchen.
You look like you're doing yoga right now. You're trying to do yoga in the bathroom, dude.
That's all right. We don't
You're looking.
see where each other
You're
are
about.
walking.
You're.
What if it was
You're
actually just the
looking
game
about
doing
to
that?
the banana fuel.
Hello. This fried chicken.
Yeah, it's definitely your Wi-Fi.
Is there anything you want to order? It's not my Wi-Fi. I don't know what to tell you.
It is your Wi-Fi.
It's not my Wi-Fi. It's the game.
What do you mean it's the game?
My phone, I would be lagging. I would be disconnected by now if it was my Wi-Fi. I know my Wi-Fi. Like, my Wi-Fi doesn't do this. It just automatically kicks me out of the game.
I would also.
Like, I don't get to see people walking in place. It's just like, no, get off.
I'm walking perfectly fine. My Wi-Fi, it was disconnected for you too, so.
Yeah,
Not
that's
mine.
why I'm saying
So
it's
you
the
can stop blaming
game.
me for every single thing.
That's why I'm saying it's the game.
So you can stop blaming me.
I'm not
every
blaming you.
time
I'm
your
blaming the
Wi-Fi.
game. Oh my god.
Jesus.
Whole thing myself. Are you even doing anything? Are you taking the orders at all?
No.
Well, take the orders.
There is no orders. What do you mean?
Oh my god, we have to clean the sidewalk.
What do you mean it's clean sidewalk? You're still walking in place like a stupid little idiot.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Why did we not do this the first day?
I'm doing the doogie. I'm doing the doogie right in front of you, dude.
No, you're not.
Taking a picture.
Roblox?
No, I'm taking a picture because you don't want to believe that it's your Wi-Fi.
It's not my Wi-Fi. It's the game, you idiot. Like, I'm telling you, it's the game. It's not... We're both having the exact same problem on 2 different devices. Okay? It's obviously the game, not a single person's Wi-Fi. Because then someone would have it working perfectly fine. Like, use your problem-solving skills. I know you don't have very many of them.
Why are you acting like I'm stupid? Like, what
Because
did I
you're
do to
saying it's my
you?
Wi-Fi.
It always is your Wi-Fi.
It's not my Wi-Fi.
No, it is. It's always your Wi-Fi.
It really isn't. Stop insulting my Wi-Fi. Oh, I'm dead.
Wait, how are you dead?
Hello? Oh,
Wait, the gameplay paused.
let's get out of here. Oh God, where do we
I
go?
can't. My gameplay is paused.
How do I get out? I don't know how to... Let me... I need to
Yeah,
see.
why is it doing this to me? What have I done? What have I Roblox, what have I done to you?
There we go. What the hell? Where am I?
Where am I? I I don't know what's happening right now. I think
Oh
it's
yeah,
just
it's
like, oh
my
wait.
Wi-Fi. It's my Wi-Fi. I'm over here
Guys, today is
escaping.
your
That was so suspenseful. Oh my God. That was spooky.
Why do you always complain my Wi-Fi? My Wi-Fi is at full bars. What do you mean?
Oh no! He's faster than me. What do you mean survive? Oh, he's T-posing. Okay.
Okay, it's either the game or it's one of our Wi-Fi.
Oh my God. I've already concluded that it's the game.
I wasn't accusing you. Because if it's my Wi-Fi, I'll just say it's my Wi-Fi, but it's clearly not my Wi-Fi, because guess what? I'm at full
I'm
bars.
so scared right
Everything else is
now.
working.
He's T-posing.
If I turn on my PS4 right now, it will still be at full bar.
Okay, that's why I'm saying it's the game. I've been saying it's the game the whole time and you're just not listening. I did it. I
No.
survived.
Yeah, you survived. How did you survive? I'm still stuck in one place.
Oh, but it's my
Oh,
Wi-Fi. I'm already out of the game. I played the entire game, but it's my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is bad.
it just kicked me out of the game, and I know it's not my Wi-Fi because it would have disconnected me. It would have disconnected me from the call if it was no Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm saying it's the game. Oh my God, you're not listening.
Well, if I say, "Hey, I get disconnected from the game," you're gonna say, "Hey, it's your Wi-Fi," and I know you will.
It's not your Wi-Fi. It was obviously the game. We were having the exact same problem. Listen to the smart person here.
You're not smart, but okay then. Anyway, if you want to end the video, you probably
There's
should.
that winning smile right there.
If you want to end the video, you probably should.
Yeah, that was what I'm gonna do.